Hey there, fellow adventurers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the sprawling city of Los Angeles, a place known for its glitz, glamour, and rich cultural scene. From iconic landmarks to vibrant nightlife, this city has it all. So fasten your seatbelts and let's explore the top attractions and experiences you can't miss in the City of Angels. Number 1. Grammy Museum. Our musical journey begins at the Grammy Museum. Step into the world of music and immerse yourself in the history, artistry, and magic of Grammy-winning artists. Explore interactive exhibits, get up close to memorabilia, and feel the rhythm of the music that has shaped our lives. Number 2. LA Walking Tours. To truly get to know LA, why not join an LA walking tour? These guided tours offer a deeper understanding of the city's neighborhoods, history, and culture. Stroll through iconic areas, uncover hidden gems, and hear fascinating stories about the city's past and present. Number 3. Nightlife of West Hollywood. When the sun sets, it's time to experience the electrifying nightlife of West Hollywood. Start your evening at the Abbey, a legendary LGBTQ+ nightclub. Continue the fun at Fiesta Cantina and Soulmate for an unforgettable night on the town. Number 4. The Hollywood Sign and Griffith Observatory. No trip to LA is complete without a visit to the iconic Hollywood Sign. Hike to the Griffith Observatory for an up-close view of this legendary landmark. The observatory itself is a treasure trove of astronomy and science exhibits, offering panoramic views of the city. Number 5. Academy Museum of Motion Pictures. For cinephiles and film buffs, the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures is a must-visit. Dive into the world of cinema with immersive exhibits, movie memorabilia, and a celebration of the art of filmmaking. It's a cinematic experience like no other. Number 6. Little Tokyo. Let's explore the cultural enclave of Little Tokyo. Discover the Japanese Village Plaza, a hub of shops, restaurants, and cultural events. Stroll through the tranquil James Irvine Japanese Garden and delve into the rich history of Japanese Americans at the Japanese American History Museum. Number 7. The Last Bookstore. Bookworms, get ready for a literary adventure at the Last Bookstore. This beloved indie bookstore is a paradise for bibliophiles, offering a vast collection of new and used books, art installations, and a whimsical atmosphere that's perfect for exploration. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, our guide to the top attractions and experiences in Los Angeles. Whether you're immersing yourself in music, exploring the city's neighborhoods, or indulging in the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, California promises a thrilling adventure. If you visited any of these places or have more LA recommendations, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the City of Angels.